Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of Apple's latest innovations. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Apple event, where the tech giant unveiled its newest lineup, including the iPhone 17, iPhone Air, AirPods Pro 3, and a range of exciting wearables. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of these new features might just spark a debate among tech enthusiasts. Apple's awe-dropping keynote in Cupertino revealed a treasure trove of products, from the standard iPhone 17 to the ultra-thin iPhone Air. ZDNet was there to capture all the action, and we've got the inside scoop for you. Let's start with the iPhone 17 series. The base model now boasts a 120Hz ProMotion display, an enhanced front camera. The Pro and Pro Max models, starting at $1,099 and $1,199 respectively, offer a redesigned back cover with an enhanced telephoto sensor and a new vapor chamber cooling system for prolonged battery life. Now, let's talk about the Apple Watch Series 11. Apple highlighted its life-saving potential with real-world testimonials, and the upcoming Series 11 promises to be the thinnest and most comfortable watch yet. It features 5G connectivity, new watch faces, and an extremely scratch-resistant ceramic design. The Apple Watch Ultra 3, priced at $799, boasts a brighter, wider-angle OLED display with thinner bezels, offering satellite connectivity and 5G support. It's also rated for the longest battery life of any Apple Watch, lasting up to 42 hours on a single charge. The Apple Watch SE 3, moving on to the AirPods Pro 3, priced at $249. These new earbuds feature a multi-port acoustic architecture for improved sound quality and offer twice the active noise cancellation of previous models. They also support live translation powered by Apple Intelligence and come with new ear tips for a better fit. For a deeper dive into Apple's iPhone 17 event, check out live blogs from our sister sites, CNET, PC Mag, Mashable, and Lifehacker. And that's a wrap on our live updates. Our ZDNet team is now getting hands-on with the devices, and we'll keep you posted with more insights and photos. Stay tuned, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about Apple's latest offerings? Do you think these new features will revolutionize the tech industry, or are they just incremental improvements? We'd love to hear your opinions.